Hello there. Welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes every week. Today we are recreating a well-known traditional dessert, the glutinous rice cake, 糍粑 in Chinese. We're going to make three different tastes using the same dough. For the fillings, we're going to use a traditional Chinese dried fruit, jujube, to enhance the sweetness and avoid added sugar as much as possible. First, let's boil the dried jujube. About half a cup. In addition to being sweet, dried jujube has lots of health benefit, including high in antioxidants and fiber. Often, it is used in traditional Chinese medicine, and they are low in calorie count. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, turn off the heat, dump the water right away to preserve the sweetness. 2/3 cup of glutinous rice flour, 2/3 cup of milk, mix, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, mix thoroughly to avoid clumps. Cover the container. Then steam on high heat for about 20 minutes. Make sure you add enough water. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the fillings. Since the jujube I bought is with core removed already, I'll just grind directly. If yours still has cores, please remove the cores first. Then add half a cup of sunflower seeds and 1/4 cup of sesame seed. Feel free to replace these with your favorite nut crunch. 1 tablespoon of honey, salt, a little spray. Mix well and set aside. Take out the steamed glutinous rice flour. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let the heat from the steamed rice flour melt the butter. Cool down a little bit. Put on plastic kitchen gloves as the rice flour is very sticky at this point. Stretch and roll multiple times to form a dough with smooth surface. Cover and set aside for 20 minutes. During this time, we're going to fry some glutinous rice flour. About 1/3 cup of the rice flour, heated pan, no oil, stir fry on low to medium heat until the flour turns yellow, slight yellow, which means it's well cooked. Separate the fillings into 8 portions equally. Gently squeeze them into 8 balls. cover and set aside. Now it's time for us to make the cakes. Separate the dough into 8 equal parts. Spray some of the fried rice flour on the board. Take one small dough, make one skin pad with the rolling pin, about 2 centimeters thick and 2 inches in diameter. Put one filling ball in the center of the skin. Lift the edge and seal tightly to wrap the fillings inside. Push the ball down for a bit so it's easy to bite. Now we're going to make a second one. Until you make 8 of them, then pretty much we have made the plain version. If you can't wait anymore, then this is the time you can absolutely enjoy the dessert. This is a very light dessert. If you enjoy each bite slowly, the natural jujube flavor plus the nutty taste is so fresh and amazing. However, if you could hold your appetite and mouthwater a little bit, let's make 2 more flavors. Take 3 out of the 8 糍粑we just made. Dip some of the leftover butter we made the dough 300 Fahrenheit, air fry for 5 minutes. For the third flavor, 3 teaspoons of roasted soybean powder. Roll 3 plain糍粑inside the powder. This will add a strong soybean flavor. Finally, it's time to enjoy. Pour a cup of coffee, tea, or milk. 1 bite. This is what I'm talking about. A healthy, delicious dessert with limited sugar and calorie count. To a foodie, this is heaven. Before you go, please comment, like, subscribe, and see you next time.